Hello everybody. So here we are again, and now is to talk about the NP chart when we are having some data and we are interested in the how many parts inside of a subgroup size that had or not the specific defect that we are trying to analyze. We are trying to understand if there are trends or not, if our process is stable or unstable. So the NP chart, differently from the P chart where we saw the proportion of the specific defect, now we are interested in the count of the amount, the direct number of parts that we had inside of these and trials that we have. So the data table is exactly the same that we used in the P chart, but the goal is a little bit different. So let's go there. Analyze quality and process control chart and P chart. So I will put my Y column here, and the products inspected I will put in these end trials. So the moment that I click in OK, I have now an NP chart. And if you watched the P chart, you will see that the numbers that we are here, they are different. Here we are talking about the count of our specific defect. There we had the proportion of that defect. So the objective, the idea, the target, the goal here is a little bit different. And a very important thing that this is very different from the P chart is that you should not, let's say that you should not run this chart with a subgroup size that is not constant. For example, if I changed here for 30, 35, 42, 45, 55, for example, we didn't have the opportunity to have all the moments that we collected parts with the exactly same amount of parts. So the chart will be changed, and the change here is very big because we are not changing only the upper control limits, we are changing the average as well. So you cannot have the statistical details here about this chart. So because everything depends on the average to be calculated, and you will have some problems trying to understand your process. So I do not recommend this. Okay, so as made in the P chart, now I'm gonna use the by situation. In the P chart video I used the phase situation. Here I'm gonna use the by situation. So I want to know how is our process talking about shift. So I'm gonna run an NP chart by shift, and I have this specific NP chart for shift 1, and now I have this specific NP chart for the shift 2. So the same options that we had in the IMR chart, X bar chart, P chart, NP chart, we will have for every single chart that we can run in JMP using shift or by. So I hope I could help you again. Hope you enjoy this video, and we see on the next one. Bye bye.